Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by chopping and melting right away so uneven heat isn't the culprit. Place chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Keep the temperature below 45 degrees. Once mostly melted, remove from heat and stir. This lets you inspect for graininess. If sugar crystals or separation appear, add 1–2 teaspoons of cocoa butter or a neutral oil per 100 grams to help re-emulsify. Make sure to stir slowly to combine, rather than whisking air in. Once the chocolate is warm and combined with fat, you continue by actively refining the texture. Transfer to a container suitable for an immersion blender. Pulse in short 1–2 second bursts while tilting the blade just below the surface so you don't introduce air. This shears and disperses remaining sugar crystals, producing a silky mouthfeel. If graininess persists, add a small dose of lecithin. It lowers viscosity and helps emulsify water traces. Make sure to stop before the chocolate cools and thickens. You finish by tempering or cooling the chocolate to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals, which improves gloss and snap. Cool it to about 27–28 degrees for dark chocolate, then gently rewarm to 31–32 degrees for final use. If a slight grit remains, reheat only a few degrees with an extra teaspoon of cocoa butter and run the immersion blender again. This often resolves residual sugar grains. If graininess came from water, stop and remove any droplets. Dry your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.